want to know, if you were 18 again, what are the three skills that you would take with you while you started from nothing? Yeah, yeah. I think one thing is confidence. You either have it or you don't, and confidence is a switch. It's perception becomes reality. It's like the road down. I think, therefore I am. I would probably have told myself, and I'm not being arrogant. And what I'm about to say, I want you to apply to your life as well. All these people around you, they might speak gooder than you, but they're not smarter than you. And I would tell myself to go to YouTube and search for a video that's 40 seconds long that will change your life, which is search for Steve Jobs Smarter Than You. Just realize that all this stuff around you that you call life, and I'm quoting Steve Jobs here, was made up by people that are no smarter than you. And you can build your own stuff as well. And I would have told myself that no one's smarter than you. I would have also told myself, don't live your life. This is the second thing now. Don't live your life to please others. Live your life to obviously make the world a better place, but to please yourself. Do what makes you happy. Do what makes you happy. Don't become a lawyer because mom and dad want you to, because you'll be miserable. There's no happy lawyers, except for civil rights lawyers. Do what you want to do. Otherwise, you'll always be someone else's prisoner. And also, don't chase money. This is the third thing. Don't chase money. If you chase money, you lose your dreams and your money. Instead, chase your dreams. And please fail many times along the way. Otherwise, you'll never make it. And if you chase your dreams and you're willing to fail at least a couple of times, then you got to watch out, because an awesome thing will happen. Be careful what you wish for. Your dreams will come true. And then the money will come accidentally. It always does when you do what you're passionate about. Nobody has reinvented an industry or the world just for money. Bill Gates was genuinely passionate about software. He always was. Steve Jobs, God bless him, was always passionate about beautiful, simplistic design. Richard Branson has always been passionate about all the many beautiful companies he started. That guy just oozes positivity. It was never about the money. It was about just kind of thinking with this first. And if you don't think with this first, then this will never work.